In this video, we'll take a look at getting married abroad and the legal paperwork you'll need to accomplish this. Getting married abroad is an unforgettable experience. It'll give you, and all your loved ones, a memory they'll never forget. In the buzz of arranging all the details, the venue, the flowers, the food, it's easy to overlook document legalization. The problem is it's something you can't ignore. It needs to happen if you want to get married abroad. If your documents aren't legalized, there'll be no wedding. But what is document legalization? It's the process of taking documents issued in one country and making them legally recognized in another. Generally, when you're getting married abroad, you'll need to provide passports, birth certificates, a certificate of no impediment or CNI. If you're a widow, the marriage and death certificates of your previous spouse. If divorced, your decree, absolute papers. Your deed poll if you legally changed your name. If under 18, parental consent. If adopted, your adoption certificate. If you're planning on getting married abroad and you aren't sure what documents you need, get in touch with the embassy of the country you're going to, or ask your wedding planner, if you've got one. Once you know exactly what documents you need to present, it's time to legalize them. So what's the document legalization process? The legalization process differs from country to country, and, to make things even more complicated, different documents have different procedures. Generally, legalization has 3 key steps. Certification. To certify a document, you've got to find a solicitor or notary public who is registered with the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office, FCDO. Not all documents will need to be certified though. Next, you'll need an apostille from the Foreign Office. Your documents are verified by the FCDO, confirming that they've looked over it and it's real. You may also need to have an official embassy-recognized translation issued too. Finally, you might need to send your documents to the embassy of whichever country you're getting married in. They'll look it over, check it meets their requirements, and, if it does, stamp it. Then you're good to go. When making preparations for the biggest day of your life, the last thing you want to be doing is worrying about document legalization on top of everything else. So just have us do it all for you. With our 100% acceptance guarantee, you don't need to fret about them being rejected and causing any delays. And, because you won't need to do anything yourself, you can spend your time planning your big day. It's the perfect solution.